So today's question is you have to find out the length of the linked list, which is very simple. If you know simple traversal also, you can solve it. But let me show you if you don't know how to traverse a linked list. So basically what we will do here, head pointer is given to us and we have to create a variable that is count, where we will store the count of number of nodes present, and we'll also store a reference of this head in this current, so that we will not change this head pointer. Okay, means we'll traverse using this current pointer. So here what we have to do, we have to basically traverse from start to end, means we have to go from this current pointer is pointing here, we have to go to the end until unless this current pointer is pointing to null. At that point we have to traverse. So every time we are moving from one node to another node, we'll increment the count. Okay, so initially what we'll do, we'll go here, the count at that time will be 0, so here the count will become 1. Okay, because one time we have traversed. Then again we'll traverse, then it will become 2. Okay, then again we will move to the next of it, then again it will become 3. Okay, then again we will traverse, it will become 4. Okay, then again it will move, then it will become 5. At this time it will become null, because this current will point to null and it will exit from the loop, and we will get the count as 5. So 5 number of nodes are present. So that will be our simple approach. Also here let me show you that function. So get length is the function. Initially we are storing count as 0, and in the current we are storing the head, reference of the head in the current pointer. And we also have a simple while loop where I am trying to check if current is not equals to null, then simply you have to do count plus plus and current will move to the next pointer. At last we are returning the count. So if you see, I have a one more helper function to insert at the start, so that I'll create a linked list having 10, 20 and 30. Then I'm printing it, and at last I'm printing the length of it. So let me show you in my terminal. You can see 30, 20, 10 is there, and the length of it is 3. So in this way you can also create this kind of function to get the length of the linked list. Okay, so if you like my approach, then please like this video and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed, and go through multiple videos which I am creating and posting on regular basis, and try to check out this complete playlist where I have a lot of video from different topics like strings, arrays, recursion, binary search, stack, queues. So go and check it out. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.